What's up, I'm Troubleshoot, welcome back to another guide. In this one, I'll be showing you how to finish Spell Combination Practice 2. For this, we'll need to speak to Lucan, located in the Clock Tower. So in the south wing over here, we'll teleport all the way to the Clock Tower courtyard. When we do so, we'll land up in this room here, and we'll run across to speak to Lucan in the corner. Then we'll ask to practice.
Excellent idea. This time will be a bit more of a challenge. Ready?
While you're here, if you have a cross wands available, it's also a good idea to finish that too.
Remember to cast all the spell combinations before the dummy lands again. If you need to stop practicing before you finish all of them, let me know.
So, just make sure you have the correct ones hotkeyed. I'll need to swap out my Expelliarmus. So, Accio, Bombarda, Levioso. Now, we'll Levioso, 3 basic attacks, Accio, and Incendio. That's what it's called.
Excellent form.
Now, Accio, basic attack, Incendio, 3 basic attacks, Levioso, 3 basic attacks, Accio, Bombardo, or Incendio, 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. It's a bit of a difficult one, as you will need to wait for your spells to cool down, so just make sure you take it a bit slower instead of rushing this one. Pacing combat is an important point in this game.
Don't make me blush. Seriously, well done. Training dummies will think twice before challenging you again. Even though you won the tournament already, I'm glad to see you haven't stopped training. Stay sharp, my friend.
Anyways, that's really about it for this quick guide. Thank you all for watching. This has been Spell Combination Practice 2. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao!